Right now, inside your LMS, there's a student who started strong, watched a few lessons, and then disappeared. They planned to come back, then something happened work, family, life, and they never did. And it's not because your course is bad, it's because your system is designed to let them quit. Today, I'll break down the real psychology behind why learners abandon halfway, backed by actual data, and then cover how you can fix it by building an automated re-engagement system using Fluent CRM and Fluent Community. First reason is cognitive overload. The moment a new student logs in and sees 20, 30, 40 lessons staring back at them instantly, momentum shifts. It stops feeling like an opportunity. It starts feeling like a pile of homework they are already behind on. That happens in seconds. Then there's the momentum problem. No early win. If you don't trigger a dopamine hit with an early win, the brain's survival instinct takes over. It labels your course as low rewarded effort and quietly files it away under things to do later. And that later is just a polite word for never. Third, and this is the invisible one, nobody's watching. There's no system to flag a struggling student and no one to nudge them back on track. They realize that dropping out carries zero consequences, so disappearing doesn't feel like a failure. It just feels like the status quo. And the fourth reason is the invisible killer, isolation. They're doing this completely alone. No one to compare notes with, no one is celebrating when they finish a module, just them, a screen, and the quiet creep of doubt that they're the only ones struggling. Now, look at those four reasons again. None of them is about your content, not one. So, how do you fix this without manually chasing every student? You don't add more content. You build a system that guides them, nudges them, and keeps them engaged automatically. A system that works even when you are not watching. And that's exactly what Fluent Community and Fluent CRM do together. Let me show you how. If your course lives in Fluent Community, the first problem, cognitive overload, is solved before it starts. Instead of dropping 30 lessons on day one, you can either release them in a structured way or simply schedule lessons releases. Students don't feel behind, they feel like they're moving. And the progress bar does something small that makes a big difference. When a learner can see they're more than 60% down, they can see exactly what they're giving up. It naturally holds them to stay connected. But the real power of Fluent Community is what it does to isolation. Inside the course, you can get an overview of how the course is working, and more importantly, see every learner's progress directly. Based on that, you can post community updates that pull disengaged students back in. Even better, you can create a dedicated space with real-time instructor support so learners can share their insights and grow together. Students can even message the instructor directly for one-to-one guidance on their learning path. This is how you turn a solo experience into a shared one. And shared experience have dramatically higher completion rates. Because Fluent Community talks directly to Fluent CRM, the system knows exactly what every student has completed, where they stopped, and when they last showed up. That makes it easy to automate what happens next. Let's set up two simple automations. They take just a few minutes to build but run forever. Open Fluent CRM, go to automation, and start with a new one. If you tap on Fluent Community, you will see triggers built specifically for your learner's journey. Let's go with the section completed. Give the automation a title like section completed celebration. Tick the box so the automation runs even if the learner isn't subscribed. And choose the right condition. Click on the target course. You will instantly see every course you have in Fluent Community and the topics within them. Select the specific topics you want this to trigger for, or leave it blank to apply across all courses. Now, instead of sending an instant message, which feels robotic, add a short delay, like 30 minutes. And to show up with a congratulatory message, bring in a custom email. I'll import a previously sent email to speed up the process and publish the automation. From now on, every time a student completes a section, your course will be celebrating students while you are doing something else entirely. Now, automation 2, and this one goes even deeper. Every finished lesson is a small win, and most course platforms don't acknowledge it, but yours will. Create a new automation with the lesson completed trigger. We'll keep the target lesson blank so it runs for all the lessons. Add a short delay, and then simply grab a customer email and fill in its body with a simple message. And before we wrap up the process, make sure it's published. something simple but powerful. Your students are no longer learning in silence. Every action they take gets noticed, and that alone closes the accountability gap. The result? Now look at what just happened. That overwhelm, it's reduced with structured learning. The lack of momentum, fixed with small wins and timely follow-ups. And that feeling of isolation, gone, because they are not learning alone anymore. That's the full system. Fluent Community handles the belonging layer. FluentCRM handles the behavioral triggers, both inside WordPress and completely free to start. The links are in the description. Check out now. If this video helped you finally understand why your students are disappearing and more importantly, how to stop it, hit that like button and subscribe if you want more deep dives like this. See you in the next one.